मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, there. What happened? What happened? Hey, at least tell me. Hey, wait. Hey. Where did you go? Didn't even tell me why you were so happy, huh?
Hey, a salesman has come to our society. He is selling very cheap things. A cable for 300 rupees only.
So expensive.
Yes, but he is also giving a TV for rupees 20. Ice cream for rupees 200.
So expensive.
Hey, but he is also giving a fridge for rupees 20. Let's go to the premises.
Yeah, there.
Listen. Our factory, which makes unique items, is closing down. So we are selling all the items at a cheap price. Come and take advantage of it. Get a revolving chair for 4,000.
So expensive.
We will give you 4,000. Isn't this chair unlucky?
Let me also see what this chair is like.
Come. Welcome, sir. Please check. Huh?
Hey, wow. It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Someone please stop.
What did you do? I will shake the world.
I can't see anything. Such expensive flour is being wasted. Let me collect some.
Hey. This is not an unlucky chair. It's a terrifying one.
Hey, Tappu's father.
Oh my God! Oh Daya, you scared me. You really have a unique item, huh? But what can be unique about shoes?
Oh, sir. You just have to run wearing these. And if you stop, you will get stuck there itself.
Huh? What? Feet to the shoes.
No, shoes on the ground. Hey, why are you standing? Keep running.
It's too much fun to run wearing these shoes.
Hey, you should have worn these slippers, right?
Hey, this is even more unique than that. Especially for those people who want to fly in life.
What do you mean? Okay, I got it. Yoo-hoo! My childhood dream has come true. Madhuri, make 2 extra for me.
Oh my God, Daya.
Tappu's exams are coming, right? I'll show you now. From now on, the TV is off.
Mom, no!
I have had enough of running in circles in the society. Now I will go for a run in the city.
Hey, Tappu's father has left. Let me go after him too.
Move aside. What should I do now? Yeah. Run.
Oh, my rickshaw!
Move aside! Move aside! What should I do now? I am completely stuck.
Don't worry, I am here.
Oh, wow, there, wow. You saved me.
Now you run here.
Hey, who's it?
Yeah.
He's running away with my car steering wheel. Hey, catch him! What?
Oh, I'm tired from running so much. Oh, the shoes are stuck again. I have to run again. Yes. Yes. I'll climb the building. Oh, my mobile. Thank you, dear.
You just run. Dad!
Get here.
Shoes!
Hey, I'm worried about my son and daughter-in-law here, and you are concerned about shoes?
One will only speak about what they are worried about, right?
Help!
What? The shadow is running. Where is the man?
Wow, a husband should be like this. He's running and still buying vegetables.
Fresh potatoes.
I have an idea to take off Dad's shoes.
Oh, Chapu, do something. I am tired of running.
Removed it.
Thank you, Tapu. You took off my shoes. I'm so annoyed with the shoes that from now on I will wear these slippers with the suit, not shoes.
Hey, Tapu! Somehow take off my slippers too. I have jumped around a lot.
Tayaji,
You just keep running around. You stay fit.
Chapu has a plan to remove Mob's slippers. Listen to me.
Thank you, Takura. You got me get rid of the slippers. Shoo, shoo.
Hey, Daya. Which shoe do you want now?
Where is the shoe? Oh, I was shooing away a crow. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Sir,
Huh?
take the menu.
Hey, why should I take it? We will take food.
Menu, the list of food.
Get me to Guru Kripa, and for starters, get this welcome to restaurant.
That's not a dish. It's the first page of the menu. The dishes are inside.
Give it to me. Okay. Bring one of each. Wait. Friends, let's play a game. If it's heads, then I'll eat all this food. And if it's tails, you guys won't eat.
Hey, so let's do the tossing.
Wait.
Hey.
Yeah, we won.
Hey, it's tails, so you guys won't eat. I will eat all of this now.
This is cheating.
When it comes to food, heads I win, tails you lose. Oh. Hey, Gully, everyone's food is still left. Sit down. Edgar,
Yes, sir.
bring the first order again and get me a lentil and rice.
Yes, sir.
Hey, look! Grandpa's teeth! I had heard of candy floss, not Grandpa's teeth. It is chocolate? Dot, 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 dot.
That's a golden tooth. Must be worth millions.
Oh, wow! Exclamation mark! One tooth belongs to 3 people. Grandpas of gold and of millions. Dot, 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 dot.
Ah, all 3 are the same thing. Once we get the golden tooth, everything will be good.
Bunty, the taxi driver, square bracket, inverted comma.
Wow! Look, these guys are leaving. Come on, follow them. Ah.
Help, help.
Stop the car!
Dot, 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 dot. Oh my god, question mark.
Oh, my hand. Where did this come from? Stop the gun! Stop the gun! Do I drive the car faster. Drive fast.
Come on, kids. Go to your respective homes. It's time for me to rest. Bye-bye.
Right. I'm not going to spare Grandpa's golden tooth. Let's go, Bubble. We'll enter the house through the back door. Ah.
My loving Prince Charming, the apple of my eye, Sundar.
He's useless. I am helpless. Kicked out of the house so many times, but he comes back again. Sundar.
What was that? Question mark, question mark, question mark.
Leave it.
We just have to find Grandpa.
Come on, let's search in the other room now.
Huh? I swear I won't spare him. No. Imperative. The others will wake up. Dot.
Yeah.
Hey, Babu Chak, should I operate this hand pump?
Dad! Leave my grandpa!
Here comes the big shot. Let go of my grandpa. Come on. First get yourself freed. Bracket closed.
I give up. We'll deal with the matter then. Joe.
Huh? Oh no, that was Dad. Oh my goodness me, Dad.
Come on, Tapu Army! Bidi Uncle, Soti Uncle, come quickly!
Oh, Oh, Jethalal. You take such good care of uncle that you have hired people for his morning walk.
Hey, they are taking away my dad. Hey, catch them!
Oh, we'll catch them now. Oh, let's go, buddy.
Now what? Where will you go from here now?
Oh, kidnapper.
You hit so hard.
It's okay.
You have been hit by your own dad. Dad!
Hey, kidnapper.
Hold this for a minute.
Yes, Uncle. Here you go, Uncle.
Thank you, son. Thank you.
Why did you give it back?
Because Mom says, whatever you take from someone, you should return it. Dad!
Let's go!
There are the kidnappers.
Dad!
I was going to eat the kidnapper. I made a mistake by mistake.
Uncle! I will shake the world! Yeah. Huh? No, 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 no! Oh, police!
Jain, sir. Sir, two goons are running away with my father. Please save him. Sir, please save him. Hey! Oh, this was a statue?
Oh, this is the same car. Grandpa must be somewhere around. I will call Grandpa's phone. Let me try. Grandpa?
Here is your grandpa. And here is his sari.
Hey, somebody get us out!
Oh baby, it's time to sleep. Go to bed.
We made a narrow escape.
Now let's see who saves you from Jethalal. Dad! Hey, stop!
How much more will you make us run?
Stop! Oh, sorry, brother. It was a mistake.
Tapu's father, do something.
Yes, yes. Eh? 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 Hey, brother, I'll bring your car back, okay? Hey, why are you all standing? Sit down.
Let's go!
Let uncle go. I will shake the world. Let uncle go, or I will shake the world.
Hey, Popatlal! Hey, we have come down the wrong road.
Yeah.
What? Will this take a left?
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Took it, brother. Hey. All right.
Hey.
These kidnappers keep fooling us.
What I'm saying is, I would even trust them with my laundry, and they would still trick me.
Hey. Dad, these two have kidnapped you. Don't be scared. We are coming after you to get you freed.
You fool! Why did you guys kidnap me?
To steal your golden tooth. Dun 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 dun. Bracket close.
I have a golden tooth? Oh, this is dal. I had it for dinner and it got stuck in my tooth.
We have been running for so long for Lentil, we would have gotten this in jail after a small crime.
Tappu's father.
What happened? Hey, this seems like something sticky. My hands got stuck.
Looks like this is some gum factory.
Oh no, we got stuck. Dot 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 dot.
Hey.
You two fools! You kidnapped me! Stop, 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 stop!
Hey, my hands are stuck to them. Huh? Oh, you hit me on my back. Hi.
Huh? My hands are stuck too. All of us are stuck. What do we do now? I don't understand anything.
Oh my goodness me! Who will free us now?
Yes.
Hey.
Oh, wow, Dumbo.
You both will never be free from this guilt nor the sorrow
Well
of
done,
jail.
Tapuda.
This is the punishment for kidnapping Tappu's grandpa.
Uncle, if you would have eaten spinach at night instead of lentil, we wouldn't have been in jail. Dot 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 dot. Bracket close. Career also closed.